Hello everybody, my name's Pam and welcome back to my YouTube channel of quick 6-minute lessons for the PTE. Today you're going to learn the second question type of the 21 question types in the PTE. Now before we start, let me tell you about myself. Now if you watched our last video, you know a little. But I didn't really tell you why I can help you, so today I will. I've been teaching English as a second language for over 20 years. I look younger, right? Please don't answer that. Anyway, I worked as a school manager in Australia and then the owner of a chain of English schools in Japan. In this time, I've developed a range of language learning techniques that have helped something like 20,000 students to achieve their goals. My aim for this channel is to share everything I've learned with all of you. So today I'm going to share how to do the second question type in the PTE test, read aloud questions. Now the second PTE question type is called read aloud. There are about 6 of these questions in each test, and for each question you just read 2 or 3 sentences aloud to a computer. And that's it. No thinking. Just read what you see on the screen and say it well. Now, a lot of students lose points in the read aloud section because they worry too much about pronouncing each word correctly. And the problem with that is that you lose rhythm. PTE's system is smart enough to catch natural rhythm. So, even though pronouncing sounds is important, that's something you need to practice long term, every day. But to boost your score dramatically in the short term, use natural spoken rhythm. So, today I'll teach you my top technique for improving your rhythm when you read aloud. My top technique to read aloud with good rhythm is just 2 steps. 1, focus on repeated words, and 2, pause at punctuation. So what do I mean by focus on repeated words? Well, you have 40 seconds to read silently before you have to read aloud. During that time, you do not need to read every word. Just find the key words, the important words that hold the sentence's meaning. Now, there are different ways to do this, but for read aloud questions, the best way is to look for repeated words, or at least repeated similar or repeated connected words. For example, look at this sentence. Statistical software has changed the way we learn statistics. Are there repeated words? Yes. We can see statistical, statistics. Great. Those are some keywords. So for this question type, that's enough. Now, not every question will repeat the exact same keywords, but they will repeat words with similar and connected meanings. For example, maybe statistics would be data and numbers. So if you don't find the exact repeated words, look for similar and connected words. Those will be some keywords. Then, if you focus on those keywords as you read aloud, stress them, you'll be fine. So listen to me. The way we learn statistics. Stressing keywords just makes your rhythm sound more natural. Step 2, pause at punctuation. Doing this makes your rhythm more natural too. So if you see a comma, pause a little. If you see other punctuation, like inverted commas, do the same for each one. Pause a little here and here. If you see a full stop, which my American friends call a period, make your voice go down first and pause a little longer. That signals this sentence is finished. So just remember, don't pause for more than 3 seconds. PTE will cut you off. Now, these techniques will help you, but just techniques are not always enough. You also need to study English. If you know more English, it will be easier for you to understand what you read. You'll impress the PTE system more. Okay, so let's look at an example question. This one is from the official guide to the PTE academic. Now remember, you have 40 seconds to prepare before you start reading aloud. So use this time to find your key repeated words. What are they? Well, this is the full version of the sentence we looked at before. So, statistics, statistical, right? Any more? Well, graphs is a connected word. So is variables. They connect to statistics. So for the purpose of just this question type, those are enough key words. We'll stress those words. Now look at your punctuation marks. Notice that you're going to pause here, here, all the commas. And at the full stops here, here, you should make your voice go down and pause for longer. So let's try. The development of easy-to-use statistical software has changed the way statistics is being taught and learned. Students can make transformations of variables, create graphs of distributions of variables, and select among statistical analyses all at the click of a button. However, even with these advancements, students sometimes still find statistics to be an arduous task. That's it. Simple. So just remember these two things. First, focus on repeated words, and second, pause at punctuation. I hope you liked my lesson. If yes, please click to subscribe. Then you can easily see all the fantastic future lessons I'm going to make. Now this channel is all about quick techniques for the PTE, and I'm sure they will help you. But remember, like I said in the lesson, techniques without real knowledge of English are not enough. So if you want to get a really good PTE score, or if you want to manage university or work after your test, you need vocabulary, grammar, and a lot of practice. So, if you'd like support with all of that, let me know. You're welcome to join one of my online programs. They focus on English for university. Don't worry, it's easy. They provide 20 minutes of self-study per day, and they include live lessons with me. These programs are quite new. I don't have so many students yet, so now is a great time to join and get my full attention. You can learn a lot of English and techniques for tests like PTE and IELTS. It's useful for getting visas, business, and even high grades at university. But it's only 20 minutes of study a day, includes live lessons and a student community. So you talk and practice with friends. Easy and fun, right? Check neo-english.com. There's a 7-day free trial to understand our program. Try it. And if you want me to support you one-to-one, we offer a private tutoring package too. Check out my website. It's neo-english.com. You can do 1 week free trial and then see how the program builds your skills. So contact me if you have any questions, and don't forget to check out this YouTube channel next week. We're doing techniques for repeat sentence questions.